here at Secondhand Purrs, and I'm going to illustrate the latest rage, the bird. I'm going to try to do this with one hand and hold the camera with the other, so bear with me. Here they come.
Hi, sweetheart. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to scoot by real quick. Hi, Jeannie. You want to get in on the action, huh?
I'm trying.
You want me to do the bird?
Sure, that would help. Trying to videotape and do the bird at the same time is not working here. Okay.
Oh, let go. Let go.
You see how they all gather around. They hear it as it spins through the air. Climbing the cages to get a better vantage point. Oops. Even our less sociable kitties will come out and play with this toy. And when they really get into it, they'll start jumping and landing on top of each other.
Hi, Rex.
Uh-oh.
Did pretty girl get her rabbit?
Yeah, check with Jan.
Well, she usually gets it at feeding. Not in the morning. Yeah.
So she may have given it to him. I don't know.
I know that, but most of the time it's given before I get here, so I have to check with Jan.
Oh.
That's what I was trying to say.
Get those kitties to jump.
Come on.
Jump, kitties. Let's get that
Sorry,
exercise.
girls, you can do all your acrobatics as soon as they get the water dish down. There. Oops, sorry, darling.
Each cat will be spaced out from a different cat. And this is the bird, the latest rage in kitty toys.